This is my newest creation. It's a if you've ever heard of a balisong knife, here's a Lego version. In this video, I'm going to show you the details of it, some tricks that I know with it. And much better. You might be wondering why I haven't made a Lego Transformer in a while. And also you may notice that I keep flipping it. It's displayed because it's fun. I might be getting one for Christmas, and I will be doing a review of that with permission, because it is a knife. There's no avoiding that. You may be noticed why I'm not looking towards you. It's because I am checking the screen. Now, anyways, now, the instructional part. Of, how it was made. And okay, I'm just gonna have this in sections right here. There's 4 sections to this. The actual moving parts, blade extension, and handles. The handles are just a mirrored thing of this, and I didn't have another one of these pieces, so I just substituted with 3 6x1 flats. And you can pretty much see 2 6x1 flats and 5 Technic piece there. And this part right here is where it gets complicated. But anyways, you gotta have a 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hold 1 and a 1, 2, and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. Can be any color you want it. I really wanted to match this 5, the tip with the blade, but I couldn't find the black. So, anyways, 2 of these 3-hold 4x1 bricks that are the tall ones. You could just use 2 of these parts and a one about this long, and then put that on there, and this piece. One of these pieces to hold this in place, and a blue 3 connector piece. And that's it. And then this is the placement. I would put it together in the closed position, because in my opinion it is easier. And 1 second while I get a ruler. Flex ruler. This is closed 5 inches. Ooh. And when open, oops, wrong side. And when open, 9. So the blade adds a full, this blade right here adds a full 4 inches. So, and I don't have anything that would measure the weight. But I really don't think that matters. See that? It wax. So I will have it like this. It isn't. Okay, and now for the trick portion, since I have it like this. First, thanks to Cutlery Lover, you may have noticed that I subscribed to you. And yes, I am a fan of the balisong knives. I'll be getting my first one, most likely, this Christmas. Yeah, that full piece just fell off. Don't know how. Yeah. Well, anyways, to do the basic horizontal, you get it like this, and like this. 3 steps. And don't throw it. And do the same thing. Did I just do the basic vertical? I think I did. In that case, let's teach. Okay, you're gonna want it like this. And then swing it. Actually, you're gonna want it like this. And then just like that. Sadly, on this, I cannot fan. And also don't do that, because this piece will fall off. But well, anyways, this is my review of my 5-inch closed, 9-inch open, balisong, Lego, balisong knife. It's in the butterfly fan. It's in the butterfly knife area. So yeah. Oh, well, that seems a little smarter, but nope. Yeah. There you go.